Gotta catch a hunker, a grouper, or a tuna. Gotta catch a hunker, a haddock, or a cod. Gotta catch a hunker, albacore. What the hell, man? How did I get nothing from the sea? Now we gotta switch it up slightly. Don't remember. How does the tune go during this part? Oh, Jesus.
Welcome to the stream, everyone. I think now I finally started the stream prepared. And now we can just close all the almost starts prepared. I only give myself like 40 seconds to prepare to the stream when I launch it. Basically just the duration of, oh Jesus Christ, it's so loud. Just the duration of of this intro song, right? All right. Okay, so we are in Liurnia. Okay, I think. Oh yeah, I've been already as far as over here, and we somehow get have this whole area mapped. I don't know. Do we explore the top part or the bottom part, like the swamp or the ground? Right. The nomadic merchant. Let's. I mean, this road seems kind of the logical continuation of Limgrim, so let's go there. All right. Yukimura. Oh, hello. Ah, there on the right, or in the right biome over here. All right. Oh yeah, by the way, I only speak English on stream, so I hope that's not an issue for you. Yeah, I have nice, horns and a gigantic halberd. I cannot. What the? Ah no, there is. I think I will survive this fall. Not sure though. Let's see. Oh, we're fine. Ah, okay, that's good to know. You see, there is something over there on the ground. Like, let me. Where was it? I was sure I saw some. Yeah. You see, there's something glowing. What the hell is that? Some bats also. It's just a friendly jellyfish. All right. Borgir? Where is Borgir? I don't see any Borgirs here. No! Okay, I didn't die. I lived, bitch. Unfortunately, I don't see any Borgers. Or do you have a burger where you are now at home? Oh, I wish I had burgers. I mean, they are horribly and vein-coating things. Oh, no. Jesus, there are too many of you. How do you like that? No. Ah! Okay, this one's done. Whoa, that's such a long wind down. I don't have time to roll after attack with this weapon. Ah! That's horrible. I mean, this weapon looks cool, but it's so slow. It's just you crying out for a snack. Oh yeah, I get you. I always actually get the cravings like every time I start streaming. I don't know why. So this time I kind of came prepared. Oh, I came prepared and I ate like couple of sandwiches right before I began. I usually make make sandwiches with just cheese and the tomato. And today I'm like usually I just was using like the cheddar cheese for this purpose, but lately, oh, can I just roll through this thing? Oh yeah, I can just even jump. But lately I kind of discovered burrata. I had burrata cheese in the past, but only like on pizza, and it was quite nice. So I decided to see if this cheese would go nicely on a sandwich, and it actually works real nice. But this time I bought a little bit different burrata than pre. Oh, I mean this is environmental storytelling at its finest. So you see the giant with the spike in his spine, in his back, and dead dudes. So it paints a picture. It's like the imprisoned giant broke free from his torturers, and this is a nice way to tell a story. No, okay, and now here come I to torture him again. It seems. Oh, immediately punished. Nope. Oh, this is so slow. Cheese improves everything. It's just fact of life. Well, it does not. It's not good for your arteries, I think. So it does not definitely improve those. Okay, he is jumper. No, I keep missing. No, that weapon is way too slow. I can't use it. It's just such a long wind up. Yep. Unfortunately, it's unusable. Even though it's so much fun. And it does not even break his stance that well. Okay, now we broke his stance. But it's such a fun weapon to use. I want it to be good. No, not like this. Let me go. Ah. I'm sorry, giant. I mean, at least you died free. Right? He died free. Ah, 3, but armament. Hmm. A 3 spear. Ah, well, yeah, it is 3. 3 but armament. I mean, where is the thing? 3 but armament. Okay. This is the message that you appraise only after the fact. You're like, what armament? What 3? What the hell are you talking about? And then you're like, oh, I see. You smart son of a gun. Ah, beautiful. Oh yeah, those rays of lights and whatnot. I hmm, I think there's only like certain deaths there. Okay, any advice? Turn back. In short, don't you dare. I mean, the messages are just on fire today. All right. So we dealt with this guy, but I don't think there was anything else here. Oh, just we can always use a lantern. It's is it just it's halberd? Because it's just halberd +1. Maybe I need to make it kind of a stronger for it to be better. Oh, the sky changed in an instant. Like it was just foggy and now it became clear immediately. Right, so yeah, we finally broke out of Liurnia and all these tribulations. I mean, it's very nice looking at this bridge from here. It's like magnificent, magnificent construction. Okay, where are we? Okay, we're moving in a general direction of the road. I mean, this is a very nice attack, like just like Chuck Norris signature move. You know, the roundhouse kick in a way. Let's see. Nothing here. Oh, I see Grace. And some dudes. Oh. Need to connect us. Oh. By the way, there's been a couple of kind of a news on during this week. First things first, I bought a new table. So now I have a proper table, so I sit a little bit differently than... Oh, there are some weather balloons or whatever that is. Hey, dude, come down. No. Oh, what the hell? No, 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 not like this. Right? Poof. Okay. Are you done? Where are you? Okay. What a weird dude. Right? So I finally have a table that doesn't suck that much. Do we have like arranged? Oh yeah, we have those. And for the flask, we'll go. We'll go like this. So we go like this and Swampa. Oh, it's just 3 runes. Nice. So yeah, another thing, I got myself finally I got a wired connection. No, not I didn't want to do that. I got a wired connection to the internet, so now my connection is not unstable, and it's like 3 times as fast as the one I had when I had like Wi-Fi. It's actually amazing. It's you just oh my god, there is so many of those guys. Yeah, it's like the speed test on Wi-Fi. Oh my Jesus Christ. Yeah, the speed test on Wi-Fi was like 200 over 150 or maybe 300 over 150. I connect the new cable and it's immediately 900 over 950 or something like that over 500. I mean, I want to make this halberd work, but I don't think it's not yet its time. It's not its time yet, unfortunately. This is +5 to 60. I mean, it's just too slow. We cannot use this. We cannot. I guess let's get back the good old sword for that's almost 200. That's no. We're just two-handed. Yeah, let's go for brick hammer +5. Maybe it's gonna work better, right? So I hope now the connection is a little bit more stable. Yeah, it also like swings real nice. Where am I? I'm going backwards. Oh, I have a horse. Right. Oh. So those balloons don't respawn. Okay, well, I mean, I guess it makes sense. So they are not like enemies. They're more like just loot. Is effectively. Right, okay. No! Okay. No! No! Jesus Christ. Those guys are nasty. And another guy shooting me from afar. That's not fair. I look like a hedgehog. Aha! A natural cover. Can't hit me, can't hit me, I'm in cover. Alright, time to... No! Nope. Run away, run away! Ow. Why are they hitting so hard? No, my souls. Dang it. Oof. Are those guys a little bit too strong for me? I hope not. Okay, if this is a little bit too hard, so what do I do then? I mean, this area seems to be mostly solved for me. I guess I did this. Okay, let's maybe explore the bottom area, because those archers are not very pleasant guys to deal with. Anything else? We have some smithing stones. One. All right. Oh, by the way, now I don't have that heavy load. I can equip some armor. That's nice. What about... Oh, well. Because this is not non-negotiable, because I want to have a cape. And the horns, I mean... How can you pass the horns? I mean, the horns are the best item in the game. Like, rule of cool and everything. Right? What the hell? Okay, so the grace leads me somewhere over there. Oh. Let's do some jumping jacks. Whoa! Okay, that's ever jail. Let's see if we are able to get the boss as early as 20 minutes into the stream. Oh, he's just a fat dude. And the weak one. Oh! How did I miss that? How is he so strong? Nope, my jumps are better. No, not like this. I mean, he's easy. Oh, I died. I knew I forgot something. I forgot the death counter. Stake of Marika. Yeah, I died. Let me see. Just a second. I'll launch this thing. And I think I died like 3 times. All right. Oh, we're close. Any messages? Visions of victory? Yeah, those dudes. That the guy seems very easy. Right, we just initiate with the jumping attack. I mean, for some reason his poise does not break. Okay. Okay, let's retreat. You cannot you cannot stance break him when he is in his spinning animation, maybe. All right. Well, he doesn't seem that hard. He's definitely easier than those arrow shooting guys who just spam arrows at you to no end. Whoa, that's a very agile character. Oh! Okay, so we just go away when he does this thingy. He just spends all his... Okay. No. Oh, it leaves the... Hey, that's cheating. He's so fat and small that I jump over him. Another? Nope, nope, let's roll. Oh, he managed to hit me somehow. He taunted me! Did you see the audacity? He just went up and taunted me. Eat brick. No! Nice. Easy. Flame of the Fell God. Do we just know it or... Okay, summons Raging Fireball. But I don't think we have the stats. I mean, it's a nice spell. I guess it creates those 41 faith. I mean, yeah, that's for mages. Yeah, Yukimura, you can use this one probably. This is specifically for mages, for faith. No, it's not for mages. It's for scholars, kind of, because it scales with faith, not with intelligence. Okay. Hey! What the hell? Ambush ahead. Ooh, there's too many of them. They're using those Kusarigamas, or what's the name of this weapon? Yeah, some like some ninjas. Okay, I want this item. Maybe it's Kusarigama. No, it's just some item. Okay, well, I think we're doing fine. They're just, they just ambushed me a little bit. Oh, no! Yeah, those guys are fine. Immediately gets left for 99% of health. Oh, they're throwing some nasties at me. Ah, so that I don't see him, maybe. Hey. Okay. No. Hey, no. Leave me alone. Jesus Christ. I barely have the health to withstand the attacks, like barely. This got our flasks back, right? I mean, this area is way too scary. Like, why is it so hard? Like, the previous area was like so easy. Even the bosses, like Godric was like, last time I fought Godric, he was like, took me very, well, It took me 34 attempts in total, but basically 30 attempts were on Saturday, and then on Sunday I just killed him in 4 tries or something like that. Okay. No, I can see. Whoa! Those little sneaky guys. You ambushers. Can I? Thank you. Ooh. Get smoked, son. Oh. I mean, they are smoking me so far, but they're so small. I cannot hit them. Okay, this one's done. There is another one somewhere over there. I mean, it's difficult to play without the target lock. Hmm. Okay, can I do this and then this and then this? Okay. I hope we dealt with the... No. Okay. At least we can see now, and they will not be able to ambush us again. Right? Yeah. But yeah, kind of... there is not much to talk about except the game, because, like, you don't talk about what's happening in reality, because it's just way too scary and stressful. It's because every time I come to the stream and I'm like, oh, I mean, the whole week I'm kind of in anticipation in a way. Oh, there is some kind of a camp. In a way, in anticipation. So like, oh, I'd like to like yap about this or about that, but like in reality, what the things I want to talk about, they're not very pleasant things to talk about or to listen to. No, immortality frames. Those dudes have no poise whatsoever. Just smack them with a brick and they are... Why is it always a ranged weapon? I mean, I guess it's storytelling, so this card was shot with a ballista or something like that. Right? No, that was a boring skull. Oh, there is a group of enemies. Can we? This is a Spanish Inquisition of Elden Ring. Okay. Okay, this is dangerous. Well, maybe not that. Maybe not. Okay, I want to say maybe not that dangerous, but it was quite dangerous still. Wow. I mean, oh, I'm so far. I mean, the most fun weapons are always the slow ones for some reasons. It's like I need just so much stats to wear this weapon properly. I'm like level 30, what? 35, and I still don't have even close to enough. Yeah, I'm leveling up to get the Godric's axe. Right, so that weapon should be both heavy and but a little bit versatile, I think. Okay, the ambush area. Okay, I don't want to lose like 5,000 souls. That's quite substantial. It's almost a level actually. It would be such a shame to lose them, isn't it though? I mean, I'd like to kill those guys. All right, but like don't die like an idiot for no reason whatsoever. Yeah, even without the autolock, I can still hammer down my point. No, not hammer down, just hammer my point. And do like you hammer a point, yeah, I can hammer my point home. Hey, they blocked my souls. Okay, okay, runes, runes. Nice. Oh, can we? Nope, we can, but not really. I wanted to give them the ancient elk treatment, because he was always kind of hitting me with his back hooves. Oh, it's just a goddamn butterfly. All right. I mean, horse is overpowered. It's like being a mage, in a way. just, you know, like run past through them, like essentially a strafing the enemy, like just you know, like the planes. No, no. Anything? No, nothing. Oh, what a waste. Okay, maybe your friends in your camp have something to say to me. Oh, I think there is another mage. Probably. A lot of arrows though. Can we kind of a sneak? Sneak, sneak, sneak. All right, and now we run. Man, it was a good head start. Okay, those guys are just the scrubs. They don't really. Okay, now I'm a scrub. Whoa! I thought I would be able to close the distance. I mean, close the angle a little bit better on the horse, but it's like I'm on ice in a way. Okay, butterfly. Oh wow! What a treat! A goddamn butterfly. What is the use of this? Ooh, Fire Monk's prayer book. Shame I'm not a mage. Fire Spermy. Fire Spermy. Oh, I didn't want that. Let's see. Fire. Where is Fire Spermy? Let's test it. Oh, that's solid. That's a solid one. Yeah, I think I died once. Yeah. Doubled cured meat. It's like dapper cured meat, but yeah, like these fires will have guaranteed smoldering butterfly. Why do I need something ahead? I mean, what kind of message is that? Like, you have to be more creative. There is always something ahead. There is never nothing ahead. Like, even if it's just a sense of exploration, sense of discovery, it is still something. It's not nothing. In the strictest sense. What a weird tree, you know? Like all the trees are regular, but this tree is kind of is bold in a way. Well, I wonder if it signifies anything. I mean, if they have unfair advantage being flyers and all, I can have an unfair advantage being on a horse and such, right? I think that's fair. Like I can't fly, they can't ride a horse. So, yep. Okay, anything else? Not really. Dry grass, likely joy. I mean, yeah, lying on the grass is nice. Visions of mountain. Ah, house. I mean, this one is a good one. Ah, house. Yeah, that's a good message. I don't think there is a house over there though. It's like a little fort that you build when you are a child, right? You know, out of the cushions from the couch, you build and the table and chairs and everything. You build the fort. No, recently I kind of built a fort because my roommate, my friend, asked. Well, she was washing her blessing, so to speak, time for jumping off. So to speak, time for jumping off. I mean, no. Was kind of washing her, a wool blanket, and then kind of asked me to hang it out to dry. And so I was like, well, it's not really convenient to hang it to dry on just just this regular standing dryer, because you either have to kind of bend it together and kind of make it more compact, or maybe it takes more space on the those hang dryer thingy, right? And you cannot really dry anything else then. And and so I was like, what can I do to improve this situation? So I kind of took 4 chairs, like I put them a little bit apart from one another, and I put this blanket kind of on top of the backs of the chairs. So it was essentially like this old school fort that kids built. Okay, I just want to test something out. Is this a poison swamp? I mean, it looks like a poison swamp. Yep, it definitely is a poison swamp. Huh. It's curious how, I mean, it's not that clear a division between poison and not poison, but it's still a little bit way too clear. It's like it's exactly poison to the left, normal to the right. Anything here? You killed Godric You killed Godric first try? Yeah. Godric is also an easy boss, but also, playing a mage is an easy game, kind of, like easy mode, so to say. No, I died. No, I didn't. Okay. I want to leave a message on top, kind of, right? So let's let's leave a message. Hmm, hmm. Try things. Try skill. And then visions of I need to think. Enemies, visions of crab. Visions of sniper, obviously. And the finger snap. Finish. Oh, exactly. You could be a sniper and snipe the goddamn crab. Right, let's see our message. Necessary item? Huh. Oh, interesting. He points somewhere. Wow, what a weird hat. I mean, I don't want to disparage, right? I would just want to close. I want to check my message. Right? Okay, I think I can get down without dying, right? Yeah. Okay, that guy pointed somewhere over there behind crab. Let's see if something if something actually is there. Okay, I don't think anything's over here. Does not look like a good item. It's just some poison blooms to craft boluses, but I have an anti-poison spell already. Oh damn, I don't like them crabs. Ooh, I mean this looks like an interesting area. Oh, small crabbies. Well, I don't want to. Whoa, Jesus Christ, that's like a mountain of corpses. What the hell happened here? A village of Albinorix. Those guys look demoralized, will they? Okay, they wanna grab me. Okay, for the record, I didn't touch them first. Like they tried to attack me, and I just had to defend myself. But I don't have to initiate. I mean, that guy seems. Are you okay? No. You seem aggressive. Oh, that's our friend, Nefeli. Okay. So this is a whole like a pile of those just regular servants of I don't know, Godric or whoever it is, because they have this tree amulet on their necks. Let's see what's Nefeli doing here. Yep. Hmm. Mhm. I mean, but who did this? Hmm. Okay. Justice to the oppressors, but who are the oppressors? Like I thought like Godric and guys were the oppressors because they collect people for grafting. Now after the boss, I should go to Liurnia. Well, yeah, you could go to Liurnia. You can go explore Limgrave a little bit more. Okay, I want to leave the message. But yeah, essentially, like you see where the grace leads you. You go from here, you go there, and then we have Liurnia. You can go to the round table and talk to the time for love. Oh jeez. You can go to round table and talk to the guys there, like report of your success. And then discuss what to do next, right? Because even though the areas are kind of a little bit structured, but there is no requirement to, as far as I know, to kill bosses is in any single particular order, right? You can just go for Godric, and then you don't have to go to Liurnia necessarily. You could go to, I mean, you can try Khalid, level up like try Khalid, but I mean level, no, I think level wise Liurnia is the most logical step after Godric, yeah. Because I personally I don't want to be that much over the area level of any particular area, right? Because again, if If like the bosses or the regular enemies are a little bit too hard, then it's not as fun, right? But it's I mean not as easy, not as hard. Yeah, not as hard. Yeah, right. That's what I wanted to say. Wow, it's even like you hear this nasty sound when you're walking on the ground. It's like it's all corpses. 3. I mean, can't argue with that. Back ahead. Okay. The summoning pole is now functional. The village is done for. Please, even if just you old albus, hide well and steal your breath. So... I mean, it seems like this village was just a like regular village. Why did someone come and kind of cleanse it? But they also mentioned that there is injustice. There is somewhere... What? There was... I thought I saw some kind of, you know, a glow. Maybe it was just... it's I guess grace residue. Or some such. Can we level up? I want to wield this cool... the cool hammer. But I think I still need... we still need like 6 souls. I mean 6 runes. What? But how much do we need for the hammer? We need 34, 22, so it's 5. It's 9 more levels. Wow. That's quite a lot. All right. Yeah, I think we rested, so the guys respawned. Okay. Elden Ring. Well, it's not that pretty. I mean, this particular point, the game is pretty, obviously. Okay, you say the village done for. Please, even if it's just you old albus, hide well and steal your breath. All right. Do we need to find this guy? Oh, there is something over here. I didn't notice it. It's a larval tear. Okay, I just wanted some souls to level up. There is also you can go higher. Okay, let's get a level and then we'll go higher. All right. Because we need barely like just a couple of souls. But now, we can. I think we can just single hand, like one hand this hammer. Let's see. Equipment. It's 2. We can now properly compare the hammer to the sword. So sword is 295, and the hammer is no 195, and the hammer is 233. I mean, I think the hammer is stronger. Bug ahead, therefore try attacking. Okay, let's check this other bridge first. I mean, this bridge doesn't seem very reliable. Ow. Are you old Albus by any chance? No, I don't think so. I mean, I think if we single-handed, we can attack faster. Yeah, I think it's better. Maybe we'll be able to single-hand the halberd as well. And maybe albinoric blood clot. Is it just that's just a material?